ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಾಂ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. Was there any problem in joining?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay. ಸೊ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಂ.
ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್.
ಹಾಂ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
2 ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. It contains some important information on physics, chemistry also. Somewhere at the middle there is another table called natural logarithms also is there.
Yes sir.
There is a natural logarithm table also. First we will be using the first 2 tables, logarithms and anti-logarithms.
Yes
Okay.
sir.
Now, why do we want to use the logarithms and anti-logarithms? What is the purpose of using logarithms?
It's helpful for the scientific calculators and
No, it is not like that.
improves.
See, addition, generally nobody makes mistakes.
Yes sir.
Adding one number to another number.
Yeah.
See, without using the calculator also.
Yes sir.
So, can you add 12.34? 12.34
Yes sir.
plus 23.45. So without calculator you add.
$12.34. Sir, 35.79.
Very good. See, generally addition people will not make mistakes.
Yeah.
Now subtraction, sometimes there will be mistakes. Sometimes.
Yeah.
For example, you try to subtract this one. Say
Yes, sir.
1701
1701
minus
minus
1653.
1701
minus 1653.
minus 16. Minus Sir, 48 times.
Very good. Yeah, how did you do, without calculator or with calculator?
Without calculators.
Very good, very good. See, generally what happens in subtraction, there is something called borrowing will come.
Borrowing and clearing, yeah.
So what happens is anything that is borrowed is always forgotten.
Yes, sir.
You borrow books from the friends, likely that you will forget. Borrow
Yeah.
pen, you may forget. Borrow money, it will not come. Like that. So
Borrow money. It will.
anything
Yes.
that is borrowed generally forgotten. So that
Yes, sir,
happens
yes.
in the subtraction also.
Yeah.
So the business people, they will never subtract. They only
They'll
know,
only add.
they only add.
Yeah.
How is, suppose you give rupees 10 and purchase an eraser. If eraser is 3 rupees, he will not subtract 3 from 10 and give you.
Yeah. He will add
He will add. After 3, he will count 4, 5,
4, 5
6,
like that.
7, 8, 9, 10. Like that he will give.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you come to multiplication and division, it is little more difficult one. So, people were trying to find out some method where people who know the addition and subtraction correctly should be able to do multiplication and division without actually doing either multiplication or division, but by doing only addition subtraction.
Yes, sir.
So that was the purpose of logarithms.
Oh.
Now here the purpose of using logarithms and anti-logarithms is to multiply given numbers not by multiplying the numbers itself, but by addition and subtraction using logarithm and anti-logarithm table. So we don't want to multiply or divide. For example, take a number like 12. 12, number 12.
12.
Yeah. That is to be multiplied by 23. How much is by multiplication?
276.
12 by 23. Now, actually we want to do this not by multiplying, but by addition.
Yes, sir.
So you take your logarithm table.
Okay.
First page is written natural logarithms. Another, the common logarithms they have written.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಲಾಗರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Logarithm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So earlier it was written as a common logarithm. Anyway, it is okay. So the first page, you see, it starts in the leftmost column. You see, leftmost column.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It starts with 10.
Yeah, 10.
Then 11, 12, 13, 14, like that.
15, 16.
It goes up to 99.
Yes, sir.
Now, after the first column, there is a table in the middle.
0,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 till
Up to,
9.
up to 9. They are the column headings.
Yeah.
Then at the end, there is another table.
Mean differences.
That is having the column heading as 1, 2, 3, 4,
9,
5, 6,
till
7,
9.
8, 9. Like that, it is there.
Yes, sir.
Now, this table contains 4 figures. Every number has got 4 figures.
Yes, sir.
So, this table is called a 4-figure table. 4-figure logarithm table. 4-figure logarithm table. There will be also tables called 7-figure logarithm tables.
Okay, sir.
So 7-figure logarithm tables, all numbers which are given in the table, they will have 7 digits.
Yeah.
That is used for more accurate calculations. Now, whatever we do using this 4-figure table, answer is correct to 4 significant figures.
ಸರ್ ಅದು 4 ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್
0 0. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗೆ
4 figures are
Right.
there.
Yeah.
See, 12 means how much it is there? 0,
2
7, 9,
figures.
2. What is the
0
number
0
against?
0 0.
No, against 12. What is the number? 0, 7, 9, 2.
What's that? Sorry.
Against the number 12,
Yes, sir.
what is the number?
Again, I didn't get you.
No. This left column,
Yeah.
10, 11, 12 is there.
Yeah.
In front of 12, what is the number that is printed?
13.
No. In front of that, to the right
0
side.
7 9 2.
0, 7, 9, 2. So that is 4 figure. Like that, every logarithm value is given with 4 figures there.
Yes, sir.
That is why it is called 4-figure logarithm table. So 7-figure logarithm table means all those digits will be given 7 digits. Always like that. So that is not generally used by everybody. Those who want more accurate calculations, that they were using in those days.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want to multiply 12 by 23, is it not?
Yes, sir.
What you have to do is note down the number which is in front of 12. That is, after 12, you have to take that 0 column. And what is the number there? That is 0792.
Yeah.
You write down there.
I have written down.
So in the writing, the numbers are written in 2 parts. One is called characteristic and another is called mantissa. Now
Yes,
what we note down from the table is called mantissa.
Okay.
While noting down, you have to write 0.0792. You have to write
0.0792.
0.0792. You have to write.
Okay.
So that is called the mantissa. Now number 12 has got 2 digits, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Now characteristic will be one number less than the number of digits we are taking. So 12 has got 2 digits, so characteristic will be 1.
Oh, okay.
So the logarithm of 12 will become 1.0792.
1.0792.
That 1 is called the characteristic. Then what comes after the point, that is the mantissa.
Okay.
Now same thing, you look at what is there in front of 23.
3617.
Huh?
3617.
You write it as 0.3617. Now 23 also has got 2 digits, 2 and 3. Is it not? 23.
Yes, sir. Yes.
23 means 2 digits, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
So characteristic will be one number less than the number of digits. So the characteristic here is also 1.
1.
Because there are 2 digits in the number, characteristic is 1. So the logarithm will be 1.3617. Earlier, you have got 1.0792.
Yes, sir.
Now you add this 1.3617 to that.
Okay.
How much you got?
I'm doing it. 2.4409.
Correct. Now you go to the next page, which is anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm, the first column at the top starts with 0.00.
Yes, sir.
It starts with 0.00 and goes up to 0.99.
Yes.
Now, the middle table contains the column heading as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last table at the end, that is having the column heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is called
Yes,
the
sir.
mean difference. Now,
Yes,
logarithm of the addition of the two numbers what you have written down is 2.4409.
yes.
Now we will be using this 0.4409 only for looking at the table here. So the first column starts with 0.00, 0.01, 0.02 like that. So you have to go to 0.44.
Okay, sir.
.440 corresponds to that second column which has got the column heading 0.
Yeah, first column.
So in front of the 44, under the 0 column, the number we have is 2754.
Yes, sir. 2754.
2754. Now along that 0.44, you continue to the mean difference, where you have to look for what is coming under the number 9 column.
44 jagdala, sir.
0.44 in front of that. You continue along the same row to reach the last third column
Six.
where column heading is 9.
6, sir.
Their number is 6 is there. That 6 you add it to what you got earlier, which is 0.2754.
6.2754.
ಇಲ್ಲ 0.2754 you have got, is it not?
Yes, sir.
For that you add 9, that is last digit. It means it is like 0009.
Yes, sir.
So how much you get?
9.2754.
No. You're not adding 9. You're adding like 0.0009. 9 is for the last digit you have to add.
Okay, sir. Got it.
See, 2754 plus 9 will come below the 4.
.2768. 0.2763. 3.
See, 44 it is 2754 plus 9 is 2763. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Now, after adding the previous 2 logarithms, you got how much? It was 2.4409. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So 0.4409, you have noted down the number which comes to 2763.
Yes, sir.
Now write 2763 on the paper. write on the paper.
Yes, sir.
Then the decimal point we have to put ourselves. For that, while writing the characteristics, we were looking for how many digits are there before the decimal point, and we are reducing the number of numbers by 1. See, 12 means there are 2 digits, so we have taken characteristic as 1. Is it not? For 23, there are 2 digits, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
So reducing by 1 means it will become 1. Characteristic was 1.
Okay, sir.
So log of 12 was 1.0792. Log of 23 was 1. How much?
23, sir. Log.
Log table for 23.
3617.
3617. So logarithm was 1.3617.
Yes,
So
sir.
adding, you got 2.4409.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have the characteristic 2 here.
Yes, sir.
So number of digits before the decimal point should be 3.
Okay, sir.
So decimal point we will put after 276. We put the point.
Okay, sir.
So answer is 276.3.
0.276.3.
No, not 0 point. It is 276.3.
Okay. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
ಅದೇ, that is your answer.
Yeah.
So multiplying 12 by 23, you got 276. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes.
Now, without multiplying, by adding only, you got the answer 276.3.
Yes, sir.
So, here what happens? There will be something like round off and truncation errors.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes numbers like 1 by 3, 0.3333, it will go several times. So, if you take only for 4 digits, after 0.3333, remaining will become 0.
Yes, sir.
So, that is called truncation error. Similarly, 1.66666 is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you keep only 4 digits, then that further remaining 6 etc. will go away.
Okay, sir.
So therefore, all numbers we may not get the exact answer.
Yes, sir.
But whoever uses the logarithm table will get the same answer.
Yeah, sir.
So in examination, if all the students use the logarithm table, answer obtained by all the students will be same only.
Yes, sir.
So that is the purpose of the logarithm table. That means we can use the logarithm table. Knowing
sir.
only addition, we can find the product of any number.
Multiplication.
Yeah. Product means multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can do division if we know subtraction. For example, you divide 23 by 12.
23 by 12.
23 by 12. See how much it will come. How much you got?
Sir, I got 1.9, sir. After that, something will come.
What is that one?
1.9.
Ah,
So, 1.91.
Next.
6
Ah,
recurring, sir.
next.
6 recurring.
This is what is the answer by actual division.
Yes, sir.
Now we will do this by using logarithm table.
Okay.
Now what is the logarithm of 23? 23 means 0.0 because
Yes, sir.
2300 we will take. Four figures we will take.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
23 in front of 0, how much it is?
2, 3 in front of 0.
Ah,
By what, sir?
3617. That is the logarithm, no?
Ah.
Logarithm of 23.
Yes, sir.
So 0.3617 is the mantissa, and characteristic for 23 is 1.
Yes, sir.
Now mantissa for 12 is 0.0792.
07.
For 12, what is the logarithm?
For which one, sir?
1200. That is logarithm table. Take the number in front of 12.
Okay, sir. 1318.
No. First table, logarithm table.
Oh, I mean anti-rock.
Logarithm table for 23.
0792.
That is for 12. So what is the characteristic for 12? It is 1.
1.
So logarithm of 23 numerator is 1.3617.
Yes, sir.
Logarithm of denominator is 1.0792.
Yes, sir.
Now subtract 1.0792 from 1.3617.
1 point?
1.3617, that is logarithm of the numerator,
Yes, sir.
23, minus logarithm of the denominator, that is 12, so which is 1.0792.
$10.63. 10.63.
How so much will come? See, you have to subtract 1.0792 from 1.3617.
So 0.28. 0.282.
You have to give 4 digits. This is a 4-figure table.
1 minute. 0.282. 3, 6, 0.28.
Are you using calculator or you are doing manually?
Sir, I did manually once and again I checked in the calculator, sir.
No, but you tell what you got by manual doing, because calculator will not give all the digits correctly unless it is set.
I got 1.0792
1.3617
minus 1.3617.
Minus 1.0792.
Minus 0.
No. See, write on the paper 1.3617.
Yes, sir.
Below that, you write 1.0792.
Minus.
That is, above you are writing 1.3617, you know.
Yes, sir.
Below that, you write 1.0792.
Okay, sir.
Now subtract. Don't use calculator.
Okay, sir.
How you will subtract?
1.3617 minus
1.0792.
7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 9 is we can't show 5. 11 minus 9 is 2. Sir, 0.2
Hmm. Hmm.
8
Hmm.
2 5.
Correct. Now you go to anti-logarithm table.
Yes, sir.
There you take the row containing 0.28 in the first column.
Yes, sir.
0.28.
Okay.
Now in front of that first column is 0, next is 1, next is 2.
Yes, sir.
So under the 2, in that row, what is the number that is there?
Under 2, sir.
That is
1914.
0.28, and under the 2 it is 0.1914.
Yes, sir.
So 0.1914 you write. Now last digit is 5. So you go along the same row to reach that 5 in the mean difference column. There you find, see, along the same row, 0.28 row, horizontal row, go to mean difference column whose heading is 5.
Yes, sir.
So there you find a number.
Yes, sir.
How much is that?
2.
2. Write the 2 as the last digit below the 0.1914 and add.
Okay, sir.
So mean difference, you have to add it to the rightmost because he has not written all the 4 digits there. Otherwise, he could have written 0002.
Yes, sir.
Because space is not there, he has written only the 2.
Sir, 2.1914.
There is no 2 point coming. Where is 2 point coming?
1 minute, sir. 1.1914.
See,
0.1914.
See, 0.28, 0.28 under the 2, you got 0.1914.
Yes, sir.
Here it is not point. This is we are taking antilog. It is simply written 1914 you write.
1914 plus 2 is 1916.
Correct. 1916 will come. Now we have to put the decimal point knowing what is the characteristic.
Okay.
Now what is the characteristic here? After adding the two numbers, 1.3617
Yes, sir.
and 1. That is subtracting. After subtracting 1.0792 from 1.3617, we got how much?
Subtracting of
1.0792
minus 1.3617.
is subtracted from 1.3617 earlier.
Yes, sir.
How much you got there?
0.2825.
Now 0.2825 is the logarithm of the answer.
Okay, sir.
So 0 is the characteristic here, and
Yes,
0.2825 is the mantissa.
Okay.
So for 0.2825, we found the number as 1916.
Yes, sir.
Now characteristic is 0 here. So we have to put a decimal point after one digit from the most significant digit. That means the answer becomes 1.916.
Yes, sir.
Now how much you got earlier by direct calculation?
Which one, sir? ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದ
ಅದೇ 23/12 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
23/12. 23/12 276.
No 23 divided by 12.
23 divided by 12. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Whether your camera is covered or what, because only name is coming, you are not seen.
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹಾಂ, ಈಗ 23 divided by 12, how much answer you got by your manual calculation?
23/12 sir.
Huh. You have done just now, you know?
1916.
No. See, you have done the actual division without
Yes, sir.
using the calculator.
Yeah.
How much answer you got? 23 divided by 12.
1 minute sir.
Yake, I mean, just 5 minutes back, what you have done, you know, that is not there.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ 1.916.
6666, it was
ಆ
continuing.
ಥರ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Is it not?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So now you have calculated the same thing, not by dividing but by subtraction.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So this is the purpose of using logarithm table. So people who do not know either multiplication or division,
Yeah.
but they know only addition and subtraction, can solve problems which involve either multiplication or division.
Yes sir.
That is the purpose. The purpose of using logarithm and anti-logarithm is to multiply given numbers not by multiplication but by addition using table of logarithms and table of anti-logarithms.
Yes sir.
So just by knowing how to add given numbers and using the logarithm table and anti-logarithm table, it is possible to write the answer to the product of any two given numbers. Any two numbers are given, you can multiply and write the answer, not by multiplication but taking values from logarithm, adding them and taking anti-logarithm.
Okay sir.
Now you take this example. Multiply the numbers 1.234
1.234
by 23.45. So what was the first problem we did? It was 12 and 23, I think.
First problem sir.
12 and 23, I think. We take.
Yes sir. Zero.
Okay, now you take this problem.
Sir, 0.05.
No. See, we want to multiply the numbers 1.234 by 23.45.
1.234 into
into 23.45. Now this let us do by logarithms. Hello.
Yes, sir.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಏನೋ ಇದಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೈಟು ನಾನು
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ something is there. Okay, now I will tell you what we have already done. We will do the same thing for this one. The logarithm table has got 3 parts. Hello.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
One is the leftmost column that has got rows numbered from 10, 11, 12 like that up to 99.
Yes sir.
Then middle table has got headings in the column as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes sir.
Then rightmost table called mean differences has column headings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
These are the 3 parts of the logarithm table.
Yeah.
Now this is what is the logarithm table, how it looks.
Yes sir.
Now we are multiplying 1.234 by
Yes sir.
by 23.45.
Yes sir.
Is it that is the problem we are noted down?
Yes sir.
So for looking at this mantissa, we will not worry where is the decimal point. From the most significant figure, that means from the leftmost non-zero digit, we
Yes,
take
sir.
the 4 digits only.
Yeah.
So 1.234 means it will become 1234.
Yeah.
So for 1, 2 in the common logarithm table, what is under the 3?
What is under the 3?
In the middle column, middle table.
0.0899.
0899. You note down at one place. This we are taking logarithm, so you write it as 0.0899.
Yes sir.
Now continue to the mean difference column on the same row.
Yes sir.
How much is there under the number 4?
14.
14. So this 14 is like 0014.
Yes sir.
You add it to that 0899.
Yes sir.
How much you get?
1 minute. 09 9 plus 4 19. So 913.
Not like that. You have to say it is. First you have to note down the number.
Yes sir.
0899 is there, You have to write it as
0913.
0.0899. You have to write.
Yeah.
0.0899.
Yes,
For
sir.
that you are adding 14 means you are adding 0.0014. So that will give
0913.
The 0.0913 you will get.
Yes.
Now the number was 1.234.
Yes sir.
So there, before the decimal point, there is only one digit, that is number 1.
Yes sir.
So if you subtract 1 from the number of digits before the decimal point, you will get 0.
Yes.
So logarithm of 1.234, we will write it as 0.0913.
0.0913.
That is the logarithm for 1.234.
Okay, sir.
Now we have to find the logarithm for 23.45.
Yes, sir.
So taking logarithm, we do not worry about where is the decimal point. We take 4 digits from the leftmost non-zero digit.
Okay.
That is 23.45. The 4 digits are 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Now in the logarithm table, look at the 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Then you go horizontally to find what is under the number 4 column in the middle table.
Yes, sir.
Two, 3. What is under the 4 column?
Yes, sir.
How much is that?
Into 3 under
Under the column number 4. In the first-
3502.
No. You have to see the
3692.
3692. Now continuing further, find what is the number in mean difference below the 5th column.
Yes, sir. 10.
10 means it is 0010.
Sir, 10 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 23rd ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, you got 23.45.
Yeah.
45 means it is 5th one, below the 5th.
Yes, sir.
Column in the mean difference.
Yes, sir.
It is written as 10.
Yes, sir.
Is it not?
Yeah.
So add the 10 to this 0.3692.
Okay, sir.
So 0.3692, 0.0010.
Yes, sir.
Now the total is how much? 0.3702.
.3702.
That is the mantissa.
Yes, sir.
Now characteristic for 23.45 is obtained by looking at how many digits are there before the decimal point.
3.
Before the decimal point, there are only 2 digits.
23.45. Yeah. 2.
23 is only 2 digits. So,
Yeah.
1 if you subtract, you get 1.
Yes, sir.
Because it is 1 less than the number of digits before the decimal point.
Yeah.
So, the logarithm of 23.45 is 1.3702.
Okay.
Now logarithm for 1.234 we have found out. How much it was? It was 0.05.
1 minute, sir.
Logarithm of 1.234, we wrote it as 0.0913.
0913.
So for that you add this one, which is 1.3702.
Plus 0.913.
Earlier number for 1.234, the logarithm was 0.0913.
Yes, sir.
For that you add logarithm of 23.45. which is 1.3702.
For 1.3702, we should add 0.092313.
Ah,
Okay. Sir, 1.4615.
huh?
1.4615, sir.
Ah. Now you go to anti-logarithm table.
Okay.
There you take this number, what you have got, leave the whole number, take only that fractional part, 0.4615.
Yes, sir.
So you locate the number 0.46 in the first column.
Yes, sir.
How much was that?
Sorry, sir.
See, 0.46 in the anti-logarithm table.
Yeah.
Look at the first column for 0.46.
Yes, sir.
Next number is 1. So we have to go to leave the 0 column, go to the 1 column.
Yes, sir. 2891.
2891. Now continue on the same thing till you find the 5th column in the mean differences.
Okay.
How much you have?
Point 0.2891
Ah,
plus 0.001.
no. What is the mean
Sir,
difference?
mean difference of 0.46 of the first column is 2891. Mean
No,
difference is 1, sir.
no. What was the next digit was there?
After 2891, sir.
See,
Ah,
0.4615
yeah.
is the number you have.
Yes, sir.
For this, you have to find the anti-logarithm.
Yes, sir. I got it.
So 0.46 in front of that, first column in the middle table and 5th column in the mean difference. You have to see.
Oh, 3. Mean
Point
difference is 3.
How? Mean difference is 3 at the below the 5th column.
Yeah.
Yeah. You add that 3 to this number 2891. See here, anti-log, when you note down, we don't put the point. We have to write the 4 figures.
Yes, sir.
2891 plus 3 will become 2894.
Yes, sir.
We don't put the point there. Now
2894.
2894. Now where to put the pointer is decided by what was our logarithm which we got? We had 0.4615 as the logarithm.
Yes, sir.
So that 0 is the characteristic. So therefore, we have to place the decimal point after first digit.
Okay. 2.894.
It becomes 2.894. Now you multiply 1.234 by 23.45 using calculator.
1.234
Multiplied by 23.45.
.9373.
See, 1.234 we are multiplying by 23.45.
Yes, sir.
So how much you got?
28.9373.
28.9373.
Yes, sir.
That means you have done a mistake in the earlier calculation, you know. See, you have 0.0913 was there, is it not?
Yes, sir.
For that you have added 1 point, how much? 36?
17.
Not 17. See here, what was this problem? This was division, I think. I gave you as the division, is it?
Yes, sir. You gave it as division.
Or multiplication?
Division, sir.
Division. How did we divide?
1.234 divided by 23.45.
Like that I gave?
Yes, sir. You gave it as 1.234 by 23.45.
No. No, this I gave you for multiplication or division?
Division, sir.
You have written numerator by denominator.
Yes, sir.
What is in the numerator?
Numerator is 1.234. Denominator is 23.45.
I think this I have not given. I told, I think it is multiply. Anyway, it does not matter. See, for numerator, you got the logarithm as 0.0913.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For the denominator, what is the logarithm?
For denominator.
That is for 23.45. What is the logarithm? It is
1.4615. 4615.
Now, you have to subtract 1.4615 from 0.0913 if it is division.
Yes, sir.
So subtract.
Sir, 1.3702.
No. You have to subtract 1.4615 from 0.0913.
Oh, my 0.0913 minus 1.4615.
Ah,
Sir, minus 1.3702.
no. See here, you write
Sir,
1 below,
5 minus 3 is 2, sir.
not 5 minus 3. You have to
Sir.
see,
0.
you write write on the paper 0.0913. Below that, you write 1.4615.
Yes, sir.
Now subtract 1.4615 from 0.0913. Don't use calculator. You do this as it is. So last digit is 3. You have to subtract 5. How will you subtract?
I will borrow one from one from one. Yeah.
So
So it becomes 13.
you are subtracting from 13.
13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8.
8. So next, what will you do?
1 becomes 9, sir.
1 will not become 9. 1 will become 0.
Sorry, 0. Yeah.
Ah,
I forgot. 0.
can you subtract 1 from 0?
No, sir.
No. So what will you do?
I will write it as 1 itself.
No. Borrow 1 from the previous digit.
10. 10 minus 1. 9 will become 8.
Correct.
10 minus 1 is again 9. So 8 minus 6 is
2.
2. So again 0 and 4.
Can you subtract 4 from 0?
No, sir, we should borrow.
So you borrow 1 from the left side.
So again that 0 will become 9.
0 will become 10. When you borrow 1.
10, sir. 10 minus 4 is 6.
Now what is left here?
0 and 1.
No. You have already borrowed 1. So there is a minus 1 there.
Yeah.
So minus 1, you are again subtracting 1. That
Yes,
means
sir.
minus 1 minus 1. It will become minus 2.
Minus 2. Minus into minus plus.
There is no into. You are subtracting.
Sir, no, sir. ಅದು minus ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
No. See, numerator.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ minus 1 ಇದೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 1 ಇದೆ.
ಅದೇ 1.
So minus 1, then you have to put minus and again the bottom 1.
ಅದೇ.
Then what happens? It will become minus 2.
Minus 2.6298.
So this minus 2, we will write it as 2, and above that you draw a horizontal line. That is minus sign. You put above the number 2.
Yes, sir.
And 0.6298. So this minus 2, we will read it as bar 2. BAR bar 2. So now you go to anti-lock table.
Yes, sir.
There you go to 0.62.
Yes, sir.
So 0.6298. So in front of 62, go to the number below number 9 in the middle column.
Yes, sir.
Which is, how much is that?
4256. Sir, 4256.
4256. 4256. Now continue in that one to column number 8 under the mean differences.
8, sir.
Now I think
4256 plus 8.
Here I think this at the bottom there will be a note. You just check whether it is. I will tell you what.
Sir.
I will tell you what you have to do. Yeah, you have to add it. Add.
Yeah, plus 8, sir. It becomes 4264.
4264. Now, decimal point we have to put ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Here, characteristic we got it as -2.
Yeah.
-2 means before that
one will be there.
Before the 4, 4264, you know.
Yes, sir.
Before the 4, you have to put a 0, and before that, you have to put 0, a point. That means it will be 0.04264. 0.04264.
Yes, sir.
Now, you calculate using calculator 1.234 divided by 23.45.
$23.45, sir. 0.052.
How much you got?
0.052622601.
That means again you have made some mistake somewhere that you have to see. It won't come so much wrong. See, what is the logarithm for 1.234?
0.0913.
1.234 was 0.0913. 0.0913. Now, what was the logarithm for 23, 4, and 5 there, which is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 3701. 1.3701. Now we are subtracting. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is where you have done the mistakes, you know. You have not written down correctly. The logarithm of, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, logarithm of 1.234 is 0.0913.
Yes, sir.
Write it down. And logarithm for 23.45.
Sir, for 1.234.
Logarithm is 0.0913.
Yeah.
So next, below that you write logarithm for 23.45.
123.45, sir.
It is 1.3701.
Yes, sir.
So you are writing 0.0913 Below that 1.3701.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you subtract. So 3 minus 1. Don't use calculator for this.
Yes, sir.
So are you writing 0.0913 above and
Yes,
below
sir.
1.3701 and subtract the bottom one from the top? Huh?
Yes, sir. I'm writing.
How much you got?
3 minus 5 is 2.
Huh?
1 minus 4 is
Huh?
1 minus 4 is 3.
Where is 4?
Hey, 1 minute. 0.0913
Hmm.
minus 1, 2, 3. Sir, 3 minus 5 is 2 now, sir.
Huh?
3 minus 5 is 2.
Where is 5?
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
Correct. See 0.0913
ಮೈನಸ್
1.3701.
Three minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0, 10 will be, we will borrow from 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then again point will be there.
No. If you borrow 1 from 0, what will be left there? It will be minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus
So,
1 minus 1 is minus 2.
Correct. Now you have to look for anti-logarithm for 0.7212.
Minus 2.7212.
That means anti-logarithm is seen for 0.7212.
Yes, sir.
So anti-logarithm table
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0.7212. Anti-logarithm table, go to the first column in which 0.72 is there. And take the number which is below the column number 1 in the middle table. How much is that?
Which, sir? Which middle table, sir?
Anti-logarithm table.
Yes, sir.
Take the figure 0.72 is the number in the first column.
52448.
There you have to take the number which is in the column number 1. First is column number 0, next is column number 1.
5260.
5260. Then continue to column number 2 of the mean difference, which is the next digit, 7212.
Yes, sir.
So 72, you go to the column number 2.
5272.
5272.
72.
Where is 7?
Sir, 72 column ಅಲ್ಲಿ second column ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವ sir? 72 row.
0.72 in front of that, below the column number 1.
Yes, sir. 5260.
For that, you add that mean difference, which is under the second column.
2. 5260 plus 2. 5262.
Correct. Now this minus 2 is there. That means before the 5 you have to put a 0, and before that you must have a point, that is 0.05262.
Yes, sir.
That is the answer.
Yeah.
Now you calculate using calculator. 1.234 divided by 23.45.
0.052.
You should get the same answer.
Yeah.
So it is 1.234 divided by 23.45. Their calculator gives how much?
0.05262
Ah,
001 ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
in your calculator, what are all the digits it is giving?
1 minute sir. 1.234
234 divided by 23.45. 52 will not come. It is 0.0.
1.234 divided by 23.45. 0.052 622 601.
622 601. So that is all the digit you have. Next digit is also there.
No sir, that's the digits I have.
Okay. Now see, our answer was 0.05262. Is it not?
Yes sir.
So it is correct to that 4 significant figures.
Yes sir, yes sir.
That means starting numbers 0 zeros are there, we will not count. Non-zero digits you must start. Then
4 digits.
Afterwards can
5262.
Afterwards there can be 0 also, but once we start the non-zero digit, the remaining digits will be the significant digits. So
Yes sir.
5262 is 4 significant digits.
Yeah.
So answer is correct to 4 significant digits, which is 0.05262.
Yes sir, yes sir.
So the division we have done by subtraction.
Yes sir.
Actually, earlier I told you multiply 1.234 by 23.45, not divide.
Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir.
I don't know what you have done, that's why. But
Sir,
because
ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 1.234 divided by 23.45 ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅದು. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು this problem.
Yes sir.
First what I gave was this one. Multiply 1.234 by 23.45.
Yes sir.
That is what I gave. 1.234 by 23.45 means you wrote it as numerator by denominator. I told you there it is multiply. Anyway, now you have understood the process, how to multiply using logarithm, how to divide using logarithm.
Yeah.
So can you do one more problem?
Yeah, okay sir.
Say multiply 57 by 83.
57
by 83.
Yes.
By means not denominator. Multiply I am telling.
Okay sir.
Multiply 57 by 83. Using logarithm.
Sir, 4731.
What are the numbers you have taken?
57 into 83.
83.
Yeah.
This is you use the calculator.
Yes, no sir. 57 into 83.
57 multiplied by 83. How much you got?
1 minute, sir. $4731, sir.
This is how you got by calculation or by calculator?
Sir, calculation, sir.
Okay. Now we will do by taking logarithm.
Yes, sir.
Now for 57, we want to take logarithm means our table is a 4-figure table.
Yeah.
So we have to take 5700.
Yes, sir. We should search for that.
So search for 57 and take the number below 0 column.
Sir, 0.75 alidiya, sir. Logarithm or anti-logarithm, sir?
Logarithm. When we are taking log means we will go for log table.
Yeah. 5 alwa, sir. 5, 7.
5700. So
5,
570 means how much you get?
1 minute, sir. Sir, 37 al ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು, sir. 37 al.
No. Go to logarithm table.
Yes, sir. I'm in logarithm table.
Go in front of the 57.
Yes, sir.
Take the number under the 0 column.
7559. ಓ ಹಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
7559 and next digit is 0, that means no mean difference is there. So this is the number. Now 57 means there are 2 digits, so characteristic is 1. So logarithm we write it as 1.7559.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now 83.
ಅದು ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
Ella, you are multiplying 2 numbers, First you have to take log.
9191.
So for 83, it is 9191.
Yeah.
So 83 is also 2 digits. So characteristic is 1. So logarithm is 1.9191.
Yes, sir.
So first logarithm is 1.7559.
Yes, sir.
Below that you write 1.9191 and add because we are multiplying.
Yes, sir. We should add 1.7559 and 1919.
That is, if the numbers are multiplied means here we have to add the logarithms.
9 plus 1, 10. 15 plus 9. 15, 5. 20, 24. 6, 8. 10 plus 1. Sir, 3.675.
Now you go to anti-log table. And we have to search for 0.6750. 0.67 comes in the first column.
Yes, sir.
5 is in the middle table, 5th column.
4688. plus 5.
There is no 4688. See, 675.
Yes, sir.
67.67. Horizontally you go to column number 5 in the middle table.
So column number 5. 47 0.67 alva sir. Yeah. 4732.
Ah,
4732 plus.
there is no plus because 0.6750. 0 means there is no main difference to add. There is no main difference there.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Mean difference comes only if the next digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
So you will get 4732.
Yeah.
Now, what is the characteristic in 3.6750?
4732.
No. See, 3.6750 is the logarithm.
Yeah.
In that, what is the characteristic? 3 is the characteristic.
3. First letter. It's first number. Yeah.
So, we have to put the decimal point after 4 digits here. That means after 4732 point will come.
Yeah.
That means answer is 4732.
Yes sir, yes sir.
And what you have calculated earlier using calculator?
Which one sir?
The same thing. You have multiplied 57 by 83.
Yes sir.
How much you got?
3.675.
No. Simply you are telling something. 57 by
57 into 4731 sir. Yeah.
And now how much you are getting? Logarithm table, how much you are getting?
3.675.
No. Answer.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್?
ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಲಾಗ್ರಿಥಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. You got the answer as 4732. 31 is by your calculator.
Yeah.
Logarithm you have calculated here earlier, just now. That is 4732.
Yes sir.
You are following or not following?
Yeah sir.
So there will be small difference like this in the one digit. It is because how the numbers are entered here in the logarithm table.
Yes sir.
There will be rounding off error, truncation error, as I already told you.
Yes sir.
If there are like 0.3333 continuing, they cannot write here more than 4 digits. So others will be lost.
Yeah, but multiplication, what we read 57 into 83 is the correct answer of 0.67 in the table, sir.
Using the logarithm table, the answer is 4732.
32.
But by normal calculation or using calculator, it is 4731.
31. That's one numeral mistake.
Mistake alla. It is
dange baradu. Logarithm alli ontara kottirtare.
Yeah, if everybody uses the same logarithm table, you get the same answer 4732.
Yes sir, yes.
So there will be small difference, but for 4 digits accuracy, this is enough.
Yes sir.
So error can be there in the 4th place.
Yeah sir.
Other places it will be all right.
Yeah.
So you are able to follow?
Yes sir.
So you take some different numbers and try to do the multiplication at least. Division, maybe I will repeat once more tomorrow, because you actually, when I said multiply 1.234 by 23.45, You have made it
I
as
divided it.
you have made it as numerator denominator. I did not tell there because first I was giving you multiplication problems only.
Yeah,
Then
sir. That
after
you told by, I got confused and I.
that means you multiply by I have told.
Yeah, sir. I
Ah,
understood, sir. Yeah.
So because first I wanted to give few multiplication problems and then I wanted to give the division problem.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, now you have understood,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you take a few problems on two numbers, different numbers, and try to calculate by logarithm and also by normal multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Answers must come matching except in the fourth digit. Fourth digit,
Okay, sir.
there can be small mistake. One plus or minus can come like that.
Okay, sir.
So you practice it, you will continue tomorrow. But somehow your video has stopped coming. I am not able to see.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು.
ಅದು ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಏನೋ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಏನು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬೆಳಕು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ರೆಡ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Okay, anyway, you have understood now, multiplication and division also to some extent. But yes, anyway, sir. Division we will do once more again tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
But you practice a few problems on multiplication, and if possible, you try division also, because one problem we have done. If you can do it, it is okay. Otherwise, we will do tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Then join in time, because don't waste in the starting.
ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Beginning. Now today there was no problem. It was okay.
Yes sir.
I was also not knowing, but some circular came. I did not give attention for that.
Yeah.
So he said, please inform for all participants. There will be change like that.
Yes, sir.
Then I was not knowing. I did not go for anything like that. I wanted to try as it is. But anyway, we got the idea what is to be done now.
Yes, sir.
So there will be no difficulty. If today there was no difficulty in joining, tomorrow there will not be.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
So please join in time. We can closing. We can do early, because in case we finish the topic early, we can close early.
Yes, sir. Yes,
otherwise, we can extend little bit more also, because
yes, sir.
To complete a particular problem, if we are halfway, we will finish it and close. So we can extend little time also.
Okay, sir. No issues.
Okay. So please practice. We will meet tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But join little early.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
5 minutes early will be better.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.